Who's next?
Who's next?
Oh, Carol.
Let's have a go.
No, Morgan, you can do it.
No, I've already taken my go. I was first.
Yep.
Go on.
Ah!
You dare!
Where's the Caribbean
You
Crush?
dare!
Where is it? Where's the Caribbean Crush? There it is.
Where'd the bullet go?
Behind the couch.
Swing! This is what's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one down there right by your feet, Morgan.
That's fine.
Right.
Ruined.
Where?
The bullet
Oh,
is
yeah.
there. I took a swing.
Horrible.
Fine, it's nice.
Where's in that?
Right.
Rice! 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 Special fried rice! Rice! Like Father Jack except with rice.
Special fried
Yeah.
rice.
Rice!
Let's start.
Rice!
Who's next?
I go for it.
I haven't had a go for a while.
Yeah, Calvin hasn't had a go yet.
Okay,
Oh no, he isn't.
And I will be your camera
Yeah.
master.
No. You live.
it next.
You live. You die.
Oh.
Yeah.
The plot thickens. Hello, Karen.
God. Oh, Kira.
Oh.
Hang on, we go again.
What about Lucy?
I've already tried it.
What about
Go on.
Morgan?
I was first.
Yes, he
I'm
was.
always first.
Oh, come on! I couldn't even sit! I couldn't even sit! Come
you're
on!
not meant to look at
You need to look in the barrel.
Face your death.
That was, I saw that cheat.
In the face. Oh, oh.
You're not meant to look at it.
Right, we're going backwards
Don't
now.
look at the fucking barrel.
Oh, backwards from Kira is Calvin.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
I
Calvin.
just had
Back.
that.
Yeah,
I just
go
do
Doing it
Yeah,
backwards.
backwards.
Ah.
Hey!
You devious. I saw you turn that barrel.
Underwater frenzy is my underwater.
Just go. Crush.
Well, I'm not going first, I just died. Shoot yourself in the
Going
head.
first is good.
Is it pulled?
Yeah.
Oh, it pulled. It grabbed
3,
his
2,
coat.
1. Ah! No.
Needle surprise.
Have some. What am I? Nah,
He didn't have one.
that's true. Drink that.
I had something, it's horrible.
No, just drink.
Oh, you did.
Everyone dead.
Okay, give us a drink. Swing
Who's dead now?
Actually, it's not as bad as I thought.
Mika, you need to take
It's
swing.
mixed now, so it tastes a bit better.
Right.
I think it's got the vodka.
Right.
Oh, beautiful.
It's nice,
Rice.
isn't it?
Right,
Because
you
it's
go.
mixed properly now.
Rice.
Who's next?
I like being the cameraman. It's good.
You have a dick now? Show me your genitals. Your genitals.
Matespin.com.
You.
I watched it for 10 minutes. I ain't gonna lie. I was like, what the I was just like, what the fuck am I watching?
Make sure you pocket.
Me again. Oh, cool.
Hey, it's me again, still wondering why you're not naked.
Whose turn is it?
That's
No,
That's
cool.
it.
Well-
Oh, it's my go. Okay, someone grab the camera.
You did.
You can
I like filming lost.
Well, that bombshell I'm going.
It's like Clover.
Going, where you going?
It's like Cloverfield.
Oh.
Come on, Meek.
Come in.
Have you got a card?
Yeah, I've got a couple now.
You got a bullet?
There was.
Alert.
You know what we should do?
We
We
should
should,
go.
you know what we should do? We should
What?
try it for, what was it, roll the dice and use the big one. And that certain amount.
Use a big one.
Yeah, use the big one. So
Oh!
like every time you, you roll the dice, if it's 1, you just do 1. 1, you just click it 1. But if it's 6, you've got to wait till we click 6 times.
No, it should be called,
Oh, that's
if it's 2 dice, call the game 7 or above. If you hit 7 or above, you have to take a bullet.
Yeah. Oh wait, where's the? Yeah. Let's try on that one. There with the dice anyway. But where's the dice anyway?
I'm pointing. I'm pointing.
Where?
In there.
What, in Pokemon?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
It's okay, my babies.
I can't wait to
Use those chopsticks.
They're actually knitting needles.
Oh.
But it's canon because they're made from knitting needles in room stock, so.
Awesome. Anyway, let me get the.
I'm just gonna stop recording.